Stanny's in a talkative mood now. Come on, Stanny. Come on. Ah, he's trying to kill me. Ah. It's like an Alfred Hitchcock movie. Stanny. Stanny, you want to kill me? Huh? Come on, Stan. You talking? Are you talking tonight? Huh? Oh, he's fighting me. Not really painful. Get me. Get my fingers, Stan. Come on. Come on, Stanny. Cuckoo. Come on. Tiny bird. Come on. Come on. What do you say? Say birds is magic. Come on. Stanny. Stanny. See, he was talking away like a maniac just 2 minutes ago. Good birdie. Good birdie. Stanny, I love you. Talk to me. Say Andy Griffith. Andy Griffith. Good birdie. Good birdie. Andy Griffith. Come on. Ah! Help me! Help me! I feel like Tippi Hedren. Ah! Ah! Stanny, help! Stanny! Stanny! You're happy with yourself, aren't you? Trying to kill me. Huh? Cuckoo bird! You're cuckoo! Yeah. You're cuckoo. Mm-hmm. Cuckoo bird. You say it? Stanny, Stanny. Cuckoo bird. Cuckoo. Good birdie. Good birdie. Yay. Say Andy Griffith. Andy Griffith. Come on. Say it. Come on. What? What? Huh? Andy Griffith? Andy Griffith? Come on, say it for him. That's a good birdie. Yay! Good birdie. Good birdie. Cuckoo birdie.